guys, you're welcome back again to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you a place in town where I usually just come on some Sundays to just chill and take fresh air. You know, there are some Sundays that can be really incredibly boring, so on such Sundays I just leave the house, come out here and watch people. I'm not really sure what this place is called. I'll find out and write it down. But yeah, I usually come here to just, when I feel like leaving the house and being in nature or just taking fresh air, mostly on Sundays, because there's a lot of activity that goes on here on Sundays. There are the bikers, there are the, what do they call those people that used to use tire shoe? All those people, they will be doing all their stunts with their tire shoes. Then there's this other group of people also that learn, should I say learn how to catwalk, or they practice their catwalk somewhere around here. So I'll try to catch clips of all that, and I'll try to catch clips of all that in this video. And yeah, come along with me. Just look at how much fun these kids are having. Yes, so sitting down here just makes me relax, watching these kids have fun, just recalling how it felt to be this thrilled with life and just play, not having to worry about rent, bills, responsibilities, and how to make it in life. Yeah, so watching them just makes me detach from my own reality most times and get involved in theirs. Hi guys.
Hi,
how are you all doing?
yeah, fine.
You people are having so much fun. You're not even worried about what if I fall, Abby?
No.
What if you fall?
Yeah, okay.
You can't fall. I like your faith. No be small, allow me to enjoy myself. Yeah, so you see what I was talking about. They are just carefree and living the life. So places where you can sit and chill. I'll just show you a couple of people, of other people doing just that. Yes, so there's places where you can sit and chill. So today is actually a rainy day, and I think that's why the population of people out here is not so much. Okay, I need to also mention that this is the area where the Uyo Christmas village usually holds. I believe this is a remnant. I wanted to say residue. I believe this is a residue, I've been a remnant of the children, because this is usually the children's section at the Uyo village game, Uyo Christmas village. So this is probably a remnant of the setup from last year. I'm not too sure. There's also another one down there. You know that, you see that blue colored fountain and the red one. So guys, like I said, this is also the place where the Uyo Christmas village happens, and it's a good thing I came to film today because they've already started setting up the stalls for the Christmas village, for people that are going to sell stuff to people that will come here. There's usually a very huge crowd here Christmas period, with people selling food, drinks, entertainment and other services. So yes, it's really a busy place. This whole place is usually crowded. There is a mast, like a mobile mast, that is usually set up here, and this is also the place where the ibom museum is. If you've not seen that video, please check it out, guys. So I just got info that people actually booked to get these stores, and they've already started constructing. Now this whole landscape is going to be filled with stores, but the good thing is they are often arranged in a logical manner, in a way that makes sense. Yes, as you can see, they are arranged in lines, so it's easy to understand the place. So yes guys, like I said, today feels like a slow day for activities here because of the rain. Usually this place is beaming with young people having fun, riding bicycles. And I need to check what the name of that tire shoe is, honestly, to stop embarrassing myself. And yeah, practicing catwalk. So hopefully while I'm waiting here, I'm going to be able to catch clips of all that to show you guys. But if not, yes, we'll make do with what we have so far. I found this really interesting write-up, and I think I share the same sentiments with whoever wrote it. He says, let's fuck APC and PDP. They are the same. They are the same. What the hell is that? It feels like it's motherfuckers. But yeah, I think I agree with whoever wrote that. They are the same. What is this? This has to be motherfuckers, because that's the best thing that fits in here. Although I can't tell what the person wrote, but it has to be motherfuckers, and I agree with him. I finally found someone doing the tire shoe. Give me a minute, let me quickly check what that tire shoe, what the word is. Okay guys, so I finally checked on Google, and funny enough, I'm not the one asking what the shoes are called. It happens that they are called skating shoes. So after successfully embarrassing my village people, I finally get to know what it's called. See how easily that kid is doing this thing. If I try this, 2 teeth will lose. That's another fun thing to do. So guys, that's the video for today. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you are in Uyo, I hope you always come here on Sundays to watch all the bicycle stunts, the skating stunts, and all the models do their catwalk. Please, if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. There's ballet here as well. Okay, which version of ballet is this? Okay, that's some acrobatic move.